Today's day 7 and there's 19 days left until Christmas. Today I'm making Christmas cereal treats. First, in a large pot, 5 tablespoons of butter. Next, I'm going to add a whole bag of marshmallows and cook this on medium heat, stirring occasionally until everything is melted. Now that everything is melted, I'm going to add 6 cups of Christmas Rice Krispies cereal. Then I'm going to mix that up until the Rice Krispies are coated in the marshmallow mixture. Now I have a lined and greased 9x13 pan. I'm going to add the Rice Krispies to the pan and press them in. Next, I'm going to melt 1/4 cup of green melting wafers. Put the green melting wafers into a piping bag and I'm going to drizzle that over the cereal treats. Then I'm going to sprinkle some green sugar sprinkles. Lastly, I'm going to add some red and green M&Ms. Once the cereal treats set up, I cut them into pieces and here's an up-close look.